Welcome back to the vlog. This is part 3 of the Milan lockdown vlog. Make sure you watch part 1 and 2 before getting into this video. Now I'm just getting ready. When that's done, I'm gonna go hit up breakfast and meet up with the crew for a briefing, and then we're going to be getting ready to leave and get back to the aircraft to perform the flight. For those of you who don't know me, I am Flight JV, an Airbus A320 pilot. Welcome back to the vlog. In today's video, I'll be flying from Italy here, Milano Malpensa Airport, back to Africa in Dakar, Senegal. Follow me on Instagram @JasonVoudry for a better insight in my daily life and my life as an airline pilot. Eggs, bacon, mushrooms, breakfast of champions. Let's get it. Before we get into the departure and takeoff from Milan Malpensa Airport, we'll be answering a daily question from Ask JV. If you want to ask me questions for me to answer on videos, you have to be a member of the Discord server and ask your question in the Ask JV channel. The link to the Discord server is in the description down below. Now today's question is from Sultan Omar, and he asks, do you have time to explore the places you fly to? And the answer to that question is yes, unless my layover time is very, very short. Now, in my airline, it's not uncommon to have 2 to 3 days of layover in a certain destination. And if I have so much time, 100% I'll have time to be able to explore the place I'm flying to. I'll be able to go shopping. I'll be able to go sightseeing. I'll be able to just, explore the city, go see any, hot spots or interesting spots in the city that I've always wanted to visit. And it's 2 birds with 1 stone when you've got a crew that is very interesting to be around, so you can socialize with them, go out to eat, and just do activities. And thank you, Sultan Omar, for asking the question. Let's get back into the departure. Malpensa Airport, stand 413. Cockpit preliminary checks have been done. I've performed the exterior walk around. Captain has performed the cockpit preparation, and passengers are on board. Load sheet received. We are now set and ready for pushback and start. Runway in use today is 35 left.
Okay, windows and doors. Close, beacon. Crossing break, set.
During pushback, we start up engine number 2 and then 1 in sequence. After startup, the captain puts the engine mode selector back to ignition and turns off the APU, and I arm the spoilers, neutralize rudder trim, set flaps to configuration 2, and I set the pitch for takeoff.
Yeah, go ahead. Okay, brake is set. Also, you may disconnect yourself and signal on the left taking mobile.
Okay, confirm we taxi via Yankee, Golf Whiskey for 35 left. Roger.
Yankee, okay.
Golf Yankee, Golf Whiskey
Yankee.
for 35 left.
Yankee, donc c'est à droite, hein?
Ouais.
Ça va être à droite là-bas.
Ouais. Follow taxi routing for holding point runway 35 left and get ready for takeoff.
By Golf Echo, we line up and wait for 35
Left via Golf Echo, confirmed.
Okay, 35 left by Golf Echo confirmed. Cabin crew.
Advice?
T-Castle. Engine what's up?
Normal.
Max.
What?
Before takeoff check. Only 35 left before takeoff. Choose your flight.
Right for now. Et on part. Flex 45, SRS,
Check. Press set. Good morning, passing 3,400 feet, climbing to 5,000 feet on the Parag 5-0 Climb level
Converging traffic, 12 o'clock left to right, unexpected. Paris 744, direct to Gino.
We cruised at an altitude of 37,000 feet and went through Italian, French, Spanish, Moroccan, and Mauritanian airspace before getting to destination. The return flight was 6 hours long and it was good and pleasant. For the meal on the way back, as a starter, we have slices of chicken. The main course, we've got carrots, broccoli, beef, and gratin. Last but not least, the dessert, we've got a simple apple cake. The return flight was good and pleasant, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you made it to the end, make sure to comment down below, Fly JV VIP Club, and don't forget to like, comment. That's the secret sauce. I love you, and I'll see you all in the next one. Fly JV forever.